another older 70 series here. Do think about it before you fork out a heap of money on these older ones, because if they're due injectors and a decarb, suction control valve, all that stuff, you're in for 10K any day of the week. So this particular one's getting 8 new injectors, all new pipes, decarb, all of that kind of stuff, and then hopefully it'll see them through for another 150,000. It's also going to get tuned and a few bits and pieces like that. Another thing on these pre-DPF cruisers is the injectors are actually under the tappet cover, so to replace them there's a large amount of gaskets and components that require access. We've walnut blasted all the inlet ports. It's going to get all new gaskets and whatnot where it's required, and we'll code the injectors to the ECU, and depending on what year model, some can have what's called a pilot learn done, and the suction control valve is what controls your fuel pressure, so they should be done roughly every 100,000 Ks. If you don't do it and your injectors are stuffed, it will cost you twice as much, because you could be in for an engine rebuild and a new set of injectors, so keep that in mind.